Hey everybody, Kelly with the Kelly Wheeler Group. And as always, make sure you hit the subscribe button and get some of the content that I put out for you. Great stuff on how to generate buyer and seller leads, and in most cases, generate that with no money. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Every month we're putting out fresh content. I love to go out and find ways that are cutting edge for agents as well as myself. And guys, I don't just teach this stuff. Now, I'm not a coach, but I show other agents how to do this. I use these in my own business. So let's talk today about a FSBO strategy, and I'm going to call it the FSBO Domination listing strategy, that if you implement, will see fantastic results, because at the end of the day, it's all about conversions. One of the philosophies I have, if everybody's doing this, I go and do something totally different. So right now with for sale by owners, a lot of the brokerages are training their agents to start cold calling. And basically they'll use a script that says something like this. Hey, my name is so-and-so with so-and-so brokerage. I noticed that you're selling your home as a first sale by owner. Congratulations. Would like to find out if I can come over and take a look at your home. You see, I work with a lot of buyers in the area, and I want to be able to represent your home to these buyers. Would Tuesday at 3:30 work out, or would it be better for me to come over at 6 o'clock at night? Now, guys, that's kind of how that strategy goes. You're not bringing any value. You're bringing a supposed buyer to them, and that's it. And what a for sale by owner wants is a true, real buyer. They want something that will bring value to the process of them trying to sell their home. So what I want to talk to you guys today about is how to bridge that trust gap. So let's start with the letter that I send out to the for sale by owner. Now this letter is also something I send out by email. So they're going to get a hard letter and an email. Now I'm not going to read the entire letter, guys. I will post a link for you to go ahead and get this letter. I'm giving it to you for free. And you can change all this information here and put your name. And if there's something you don't like here, change it. But the basic content of this letter is something that I have perfected, and it works very well. So be careful if you change too much. But basically, I'm talking about, the concept of what if I said or told you that a local realtor wants to help you and it does not include listing your home. And then I talk about getting a free website for their property that I'm going to give them. I talk about some aerial pictures of their house. I talk about giving them a free 800 number that they can put on their sign. And that 800 number will capture, the software will capture the buyer's name and phone number, and then automatically text and email the buyer and the seller, as well as you, the agent, within the software that this person called on the home. And that 800 number will also do a 3-text drip campaign to anybody that calls on that. Guys, this is something I'm giving to the FSBO. And then lastly, I talk about when and if they allow me to come out and see them, giving them a list of up to 10 buyers looking within their area to buy a home. And I'll leave this list with the for sale by owner and show them how to contact these buyers. And guys, it's just simply a move up and a move down buyer on the MLS. And most agents don't know you can do this. But I'll go and find 10 prime sellers that are active or pending on the MLS that I can market to bring them to this for sale by owner. Now, I don't do it, but I will give that list to the for sale by owner and tell them how to reach out to the listing agent and get that buyer to their house. So those are viable leads. Guys, most people when they sell their home move within 10 to 15 miles of their current address. So you're bringing statistically a potential buyer for their home. Now I'm doing that the first go around absolutely free. And I end that by saying, this is worth seeing me for. So guys, you can see right away I'm bringing tremendous value. Now you're probably saying, well, crap, Kelly, why are you doing all of that? That's a lot of work for, nothing. Here's why I'm willing to help you, Mr. FSBO. Number one, are you buying a home in your cells? If so, I want to represent you as your buyer's agent. Guys, most real estate agents have a plethora of buyers in their area. They just don't know it, and no agent's going after them. Start reaching out to a FSBO and see if you can be their buyer's agent. Give them something of value to work with you. So if they're not working with one, I'm going to give you all of this stuff. Let me work with you as a buyer's agent. Point number two, if at any time you decide to move from selling by owner to selling with an agent, all I ask is the opportunity to interview for the job. See that, guys? So simple. And then I end by sending them to a website, and I'm going to show it to you in a minute, where I have a little video of myself talking about the program. All right, let's jump back over into here. So a lot of times people ask me about the 800 number, and that 800 number, when you have that 800 number, you're able to give that for sale by owner something they can put on their sign that brings immediate results. Guys, I use Hotline America, so go to hotlineamerica.com. I believe you can get your first 25 800 number with extensions for about $20 to $29 a month. It's month to month. It's a phenomenal software system that you could be using in your business right now. So that's what I do when I give them this sign right here. And guys, I'm going to record the message for them. I'm going to do a 2 to 3 minute recording, and then I'm going to give it to them. Now let's look at the video I showed you on that letter at the freebyownersite.com. This is what the video looks like. Okay, it's got my name, it's got a video, it's got a free property website link, a free list of buyers link, view the sample website of what this property website looks like, a home evaluation link, how to get some aerial drone pictures, a contact me, and a free ebook. And guys, the video is simple. There it is. Little bit of a preview, and then I get into talking to them. I developed that program, and I've made that program specifically. And I kept that video at about 3.5 to 3 minutes and 48 seconds because I didn't want it to be too long. But guys, that is it right there. So that's the website that they go to. Now, how do you get the free website? A lot of people ask me that. Well, here you go, guys. I'm going to give it to you in a box. Right here, I'm going to put the link on the bottom of the video. Here is the free sign up. You get a 15-day free trial to look at these unlimited Fsbos sites that you can send out. And then if you decide to keep it, and guys, it's not just for sale by owner sites. They have squeeze pages already made for buyers. You get a free buyer webinar with multiple videos. You get expired squeeze pages that are converting like crazy. All of this, you spend about $199 for the year, and you have unlimited use of these sites. I will leave this link in the bottom of the video, and you are welcome to check it out. But that's where I get my websites. So guys, that's it in a nutshell. Your FSBO Domination. You're going to send them a letter. You're going to send them an email if you can get their email address. I use a company called myplusleads.com. I spend about $25 to $30 a month, and I get Fsbo and expired data with email and phone numbers. You don't have to do that. You can just simply send them the letter. You can find them for free on Zillow, but it starts with the letter. Then you're going to move on to reaching back out to them and saying, hey, did you get my letter? I'd love to stop by and give you the free website. And just having that conversation. So guys, that's it in a nutshell. Reach out to Fsbos, offer them the letter, offer them the free website, offer them the 24/7 recorded 800 number with the lead capture software. Start giving them things of value. And here's what I know. 89% of all Fsbos, according to NAR, will relist with a realtor when they get frustrated. So guys, if you're the one front and center talking to them about how to solve their problem by bringing them some when you first meet them, buyer leads, by getting them set up with all these marketing tools, guys, you're going to build that trust. And you're going to have a better than 9.975 chance out of 10 of taking that listing where the other agents can't even think about taking it. I hope this was of value to you. Again, look at the bottom. I'll leave links to the website. I'll leave links to the 24/7 recorded hotline number. I'll leave links to all the other things that we talked about, and I'll leave a link for you to be able to download the free letter. As always, leave me some comments below. Tell me what you think. Let me know if you use this, how it worked for you. I'd love to hear some success stories. All right, guys. Again, Kelly with the Kelly Wheeler Group, brokered by EXP. And guys, if you let me just say this. I'll end the video with this. If you're thinking about making a move and you're not happy where you're at, there'll be a link on the bottom where you can schedule a 15-minute phone call with me. I would love to share with you why I moved my company to EXP. Guys, it's been a game changer for me. That's all I'm going to say about that. If you're interested and want to talk more, I will let you schedule that 15-minute call with me. All right, man, have a great day, a great week, and go get you some for sale by owner listings.